here at Primeval Forest. Very, very beautiful place. Walk down these stairs. Look around here. Oh, there's some signs there. Let's walk around. All right. So, in reading these descriptions right here, it would what they're saying is that about 125,000 years ago, this whole area was actually covered in water, and where we now right now stand had fish and shrimp and all kind of different sea animals. So this actually used to be underwater one time ago. So very interesting. Yeah, all of this right here. So in a cave area type now. So this is very interesting. Hearing a lot of sounds, a lot of animals here in the trees. So yeah.